Here we go with the final.
The session starts the schooling. Nice.
Oh no, wait a minute. Third is if you lose the semi. Yeah, you're right. Third or fifth, right?
Third or fifth. Yeah.
I don't think they do a fourth.
Good fifth. Third or fifth.
Right?
I miss chicken wings.
Chicken wing.
Wow!
Just owning that angle. Wow.
Take angle block line. We'll find out in a minute. Nope. 5-3.
Nice block, Maddie. Nice bomb. Use it on my knee after I had this. Nice save on that ball. Nice save on that ball. I know just flexibility and range of motion is what I'm able to do. That's the key for me. So I guess that comes up twice on the court.
Yes, Bob, easy!
Wow.
I know one thing I learned. Like,
Dude, I haven't seen you for like 2 years.
about a year. Oh, nice body.
Nice.
Be careful, okay?
He's doing pretty good though.
Dude, rip.
He's actually working like 2 or 3 jobs there.
Yep.
That's a bad set.
Come on.
Danny?
Oh! Oh, wow!
Great play, but that set was bad, dude.
I wouldn't take that drop on him.
This indoor content has to go like underneath the set.
Oh, partner!
Wow, nice block.
Come on!
Wow.
He'd have to go over. There'd be no way to get that.
Yeah.
Nice serve.
No one!
Yeah, side though.
Oh, nice off speed.
13 serving 10.
The last year was
Nice turn.
pretty sure that's why he's not playing. How did he do that?
Oh, man. Okay. I had to let my body heal up. Yoga really helped it a lot. I had a lot of problems with my knee, my back. So I just get some
Awesome.
Rob?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who do you do it?
I'm doing Astranja yoga. I'm doing, oh, well, nice shot. Right
You ever do it?
Tried close to 200 people. 200 plus people, I'd say.
And it's volunteer, or you?
It's all donation based.
Yeah.
Nice turn, Maddie. That's a second scud missile.
That kind of makes up for it.
So you've been here most of the day?
It's like 10.
That did Paul's part, but I had to play with somebody else.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Nice turn.
Right? Come on here! Come on!
You got net, you got net.
Daddy!
Who knows? He's definitely one of the best guys I can have right now.
Ooh, nice rip, Maddie.
I didn't see him.
I didn't see his name on the list.
Nice turn.
Dribbles.
Or re-get. Oh, that's no.
Good, man. What was the score of that last one, man?
Graduate on Friday.
From where?
Yeah. I graduate on Friday.
CSD?
Yep. And I won national partner and
get after it.
Oh.
Find me a big blocker like Tony. He's not on scout citizenship.
22-19.
That's where Tony's from.
Oh, wow. Was his name? Tony what?
Tony Pippin, Anderson.
Okay. I don't remember if it was
What side do you play?
Both.
I need somebody who plays right.
Right? Okay. Tony likes like a mid back.
Yeah.
Coming off a shoulder injury.
I didn't know if you played all these guys up in that.
Yeah, I played with.
Same great players playing.
Beach.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right there.
He's good. Did you play in
Right there with a reach over it.
Where? Oh, the New Orleans?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. It's cool. School's coming
25, serving 22.
Well, that's why I just stopped instead of training. I just stopped and I realized, hey, you know, how much training am I really going to get with school going, you know? So I took my time off, I just in the gym, hitting my traps, and I lift and stuff like that. The other stuff was, I did a bunch of bicep stretches.
Out. Oh, no, that's in.
Right on. Just to kind of release the pressure.
There it is. 3 serving 6.
But you can play.
I'm sorry, 6 serving 3.
Get out there, got some athleticism back.
It's in there. Hard line, right?
line.
Left.
Oh, he missed it barely. Did he get it? Yeah, he got it.
I saw the line bounce.
All right, so that was in. That makes it 24-26. What a poke set. 25, serving 26. Bye.
Yes!
27, 26.
So once we did that this way down.
There you go.
7 serving 7.
Right? Hey! Come on, bud.
7.
Oh, wow.
Right there. Line!
Oh,
Nice jumbo. Nice jumbo.
28-28.
Left. Go ahead. Go ahead. I know it. You. Yes.
All right, game point, 9-8.
Right. Same thing.
Out! Holy moly. What a match. What a final.
Oh.
they had the chance. They had